After a windstorm, one of the hydro poles had a lean to it. The poles are 14 meters high, and the angle between the pole and the ground is 81 degrees. How high is the top of the pole above the ground? So the hypotenuse here represents the height of the pole, and it's the hypotenuse because it's leaning. And what we're looking for is the distance from the ground to the top of the hydro pole after it's leaning. So the 81 degrees is the angle that it makes with the ground right there. So what we have is information about the hypotenuse, that's 14 meters. We're looking for the length opposite the angle. So opposite hypotenuse, that means that we need to use a sine. So sine of 81 degrees is equal to the opposite, which is x, over the hypotenuse, which is 14. Now solve this for x. So multiply both sides by 14 and use your calculator to evaluate that. Make sure your calculator is set to degree mode. 14 times sine 81 degrees. If we round to the nearest tenth, 13.8. And that's meters because that's a distance.